everyone. My name is Malin Tarukar. I am a student from the Java Institute Cheetah Badge, and today I will present my web project. This project is a website that allows users to buy and sell their skills. Today I mainly explain the sign in and sign up pages, how users log in or created a new account. I will show how the page looks, how it functions, and how built it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the login page. It is simple, modern, and user friendly. And top user and can see a blue gradients header with the Skillshop logo. Below that, there is a white card with rounded corners. Inside this card, we have a login form with email and password fields, a remember me checkbox, a forgot password link, a large blue sign in button, a link to switch to the sign up from. This is a sign up from. The style is the same, but it includes more input fields: first name and last name, email address, password, confirm, a checkbox to select whether the user is the buyer or seller, a checkbox to accept term and condition, mm, uh, a large create account button. This gives the page a soft and clean background effect. I also add, sorry. First, let's check the body section. I use the classes BG gradients to BR from blue 50 to indigo 100. This creates a smooth colors gradients from the top left corner to the bottom right corners of the pages. This gives the page a soft and clean background effect. I also add min edge, screen flex items, center and justify center. These classes make sure the from style perfectly centered on the both screen both vertically and horizontally. Inside the body we created the main from card. I used the full and maxed WMD so the card files the width on small devices but doesn't become too wide on large screens. This keep it easy to read. To create a floating card look, I added PG white for clean background, rounded Excel for smooth edges, mm, shadow to Excel to add a soft deep shadow. For the from inputs I used many utility classes. Classes like pfull, px5, py3 make the inputs stretch across the width and add inner spacing. For user interaction I added focus and focus. When the user clicks on the inputs box, a blue highlight appears around it showing it is active. For the sign in button, I used a gradient background from left to right to match the page theme. I also added a hover effect using hover. When the mouse pointer goes over the button, it slightly enlarges, giving a smooth interactive feel. And for the sign up from the first name, last name, yeah, uh, uh, name inputs are placed side by side. I used a grid layout with grid calls one same. On small screens, the fields appears on above the others. On large screens, they appears in two columns. This makes the layout responsive and suitable for device sizes. Now let's review the JavaScript part. There is a function called toggle forms. It's selected both the sign in and sign up forms using their IDs. Then it uses class list toggle with the classes hidden and active. When the user clicks the sign up links, the sign in from is hidden and the sign up from appears inside instantly without refreshing the page. Uh, there is a there is also function called toggle password which runs when the eye icon is clicked. It checks the current input types. If the type is password, it changes it to test so the user can see what they typed. If it is already test, it changes it back to password to hide it again. This improves usability and helps prevent typing mistake. That's how this page was created by combining Tailwind CSS utility classes for design and simple JavaScript for behavior. We built a smooth and responsive sign in and sign up system. Thank you.